Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make a phone call without showing your number. You don't need your number or any number to make an internet call with anyone. Maybe sometimes you need to speak with anyone, you don't know him and you don't give him your personal information or your number. How we can do this? Let's go. Go to App Store, go to search box, write fix line, this app, we will download it, open the app, allow, you should log in. Next, done. You will see this window. This your special link. You can share it from here. Copy link, QR code. If you need, share it like barcode. Let's go try this. I will take this link. If you want to take copy from here, go to share, QR code, download QR. You will find it in your studio or gallery like this. Turn on the camera in another phone. Open your photo. Show option. Open in browser. Call from app. Install. Open. Google. You can open the camera.
Human error. Evolution. This is the future.
Like this. Also you can make customize. You can choose the day or the time you need to receive this calling from here. Active timing, daily, Monday to Friday or custom. You can choose the days from here, the time from here, like this. Update timing. Another option, disappear call logs for 8 hours, like this. The third option, deactive link. If you want to delete this link because another one can't call you again, from here delete link like this. This calls log, delete it. From here you can save this link of this person. From here you can edit your name, like any name you want. This name will be appear in another person. This is all about this application. It's very amazing application, really. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe in our channel. Best regards, phone shop. Thank you.